everyone, this is Ritika Sharma, teacher of Amby International School, Nayagaon, Kota. So students, today we will be starting about a poem which name is Birds of Paradise. Before read a poem, there are many species of animals that have become extinct and many more endangered species that face a high risk of extinction. Let us pledge to make the earth habitable for all the varied creatures that live on earth. The bird of paradise is one such enchanting creature, and the poet wants to tell us that there are many species of animals that have extinct, जो कि extinct हो चुके हैं, and there are many more to endangered species that about to extinction, that at the high risk of extinction. And this poem is about the bird of paradise as one such enchanting creature. This poem is about the birds, different kinds of birds. Golden winged, silver winged, winged with flashing flame. Such a flight of birds I saw, birds without a name, singing songs in their own tongue, songs of songs they came. The poet wants to tell us that there are varied kind of creatures, varied kind of birds, and बहुत ही अलग अलग different types के birds होते हैं. किसी के golden wings होते हैं, किसी के silver wings होते हैं, किसी के जो wings होते हैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा they are very in a bright color wings, and such a flight of a bird I saw. Now the point wants to say us that he saw many kinds of birds there, birds without a name. He saw that kinds of birds which he didn't know even their name, even the name, singing songs in their own tongue. पोइट कहते हैं दैट वो अपनी ही जो लैंग्वेज होती है उनमें चिप करते रहते हैं, गाते रहते हैं, सिंगिंग सॉन्ग्स सिंग करते रहते हैं. सॉन्ग्स दे सिंग different kinds of songs, like वो अलग अलग तरह से चिप करते हैं. One to another calling, each answering each, one to another calling in their proper speech. They were talking in their language, one to another calling. वो एक दूसरे से बात करते रहते हैं, with that we can't even understand. Each answering each, वो एक दूसरे को answers करते रहते हैं, one to other calling, एक दूसरे को बुलाते रहते हैं. In their proper speech, उनकी proper जो tongue है उसमें. High above my heart had they wheeled far out of reach. And the poet wants to say us, but the poet is telling us that above my head they were round and round, they were fly around me. On wings of flame they went and come with a candid clang. Their silver wings tinkled, their golden wings rang. The wind it whistled through the wings when they were in the heaven they sang. And poet ये कहते हैं कि उनके पास बहुत ही different types के with the bright colors उनके पास wings हैं और बहुत ही they produce a very good, very sweet sound. The silver wings tinkle, वो कहते हैं कि जो silver wings है वो tinkle करते हैं, golden wings rang करते हैं, एक अलग तरह का sound produce करते हैं. And when the birds flap their wings in the wind, they produce a very sweet sound which was like they were singing in the heaven. They flashed and they darted a while before mine eyes. Now the poet is saying that the birds fly upwards and downwards, and after some time they disappear from my eyes, mounting still. They say means the poet wants to tell us that mounting above from the sky in haste to scale the skies. They move in the clouds. वो वहाँ पे बहुत ही दूर चले जाते हैं, above बहुत ज़्यादा दूर चले जाते हैं हमसे. Birds without a nest on the earth, birds of paradise, birds without a nest of a heart. There are a lot of birds which have extinct, जो कि extinct हो चुके हैं, and there are a lot of birds which are high rated extinction, जो कि अभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्क पे हैं extinction. Birds without a nest on earth, there are a lot of birds in the on the earth, birds of paradise. There are, earth is like a birds of paradise. यहाँ पे birds का paradise है with the golden wing, with the silver wings, and with the wings of flames with many bright colors. Okay, hope you understood the poem. Thank you.